We're doing chicken party. Which one are we getting?
No, don't worry about me.
You speak English, ma'am?
Yes.
How much they're selling?
5 pesos.
5 pesos.
Yes, and this one is 15.
15?
Yeah.
Which one is good?
Try the
Which one you like you more? Yeah, me, I'm gonna pay. How many you want?
I got nothing.
4? Get it. Do you know how much is one? You speak English, ma'am?
Yes.
How much they're selling?
5 pesos.
5 pesos.
Yes, and this one is 15.
15?
Yeah.
Which one is good?
Try the
Which one you like you more? I'm gonna pay for you. I'm gonna pay. Yeah, me, I'm gonna pay.
Bye.
Yes.
Eh? No money? Hindi siya daw mag-deliver. Hi, you.
How many you want?
I got nothing.
4? Get it 5, 5.
5. Matagi siya lang? Hindi, pag 5, tag-lima daw tayo. May ano po kayo, Kap? Thank you.
Welcome. Hey, I'm gonna pay for her, him, and her. Me. I'm paying.
Sige, magbabayad yun. Dalihan nyo, oh. Yan yung vlog. Yan yung lalagyan, ha?
Can I pay for you?
Sir, almost take all. Oh, yan yung lalagyan. Take all na daw. Control. Yes.
You wanna let others also go online?
Are you sure?
Yes. Yes, please.
Thank you.
Which one you like?
I like this one.
That one. Can you get the 3? Hey, you counting? You counting? Can you ask him if he's counting?
Wala, binibilang mo raw ba yung kinukuha nila? I don't know.
He don't. He doesn't. How is gonna know?
5, 10. 10 to sa amin. Tatlo lang akin, no? Sa amin, 6. Ay, balo lang pala. 8. Tapos 6.
Yes. You're gonna get a 3.
Wait. Thank you very much. Are you filming for what?
For pleasure. Pleasure.
Flavors. Okay, I will search it so I can see myself. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Search mo, mapanood ko tayo dyan.
So you wanna get 3? Yeah. Get 3.
You make it patakaw, yung 5. Need 3? You 5? Patakaw! Naulo.
Oh yeah.
Thank you. Tulog lang namin.
Did you pay already?
No, not yet.
Can I pay for you?
Pagkakan nyo.
Okay. Come here, you're gonna help me. Can you tell him to do the total?
Kuya, kwentahin mo daw.
So which one you're getting, sir? Which one are we getting?
No, don't worry about me.
No,
I
I'm
can...
gonna pay. I know you are rich, but I'm gonna pay.
No, I'm not rich.
It's kindness. I'm gonna pay.
Yes,
Kuya, patotol daw lahat.
we are a visitor here. That's why.
Yes, sir. Yeah, so I'm gonna pay.
No, you're a visitor. We need to pay for you.
No, if I come to your house, then free. But here, no.
Where do you live?
The hotel, Winston.
Winston Hotel.
Yeah.
And where have you been? Which country? Or Where you from?
I'm from America.
America?
Yes, sir.
Calculator? Para saan?
Can you ask him then to do the total?
Masya?
Isa lang ako magpapaya. Ang dami na kukuha.
Oh, this is free. This is free.
You wanna get one too?
I get all.
Get to 3.
Hanggang tatlo lang daw, te. Siyempre may
No, I
limit
want
din.
all.
You wanna all of it?
No,
She's joking. That lady, she's
Yeah,
wanna
she's
all of
joking.
it.
Joke.
So I wanna leave. Can you tell him how much total?
Alis na raw siya, magkano raw lahat? Ilan ba nakuha? Ito 3.
Akin tatlo.
Ito 5.
Sama mo sa kanya. Wala na. Bigay pa ako lang. Oh, libre, libre. Give him Robin. I want Robin. Kiyari. Isa sa akin, tapos dalawa dito.
My friend, we're doing chicken party.
Hey! Nagsuka na lang, walang malamig. I will watch myself on YouTube.
Yes. Did he say how much?
Pare, magkano daw? Kanina pa niya nung ulit.
53. Yes, I'm gonna pay for you. Thank you. Can he add this too?
Hey, boss, alis sa'yo, boss.
Yeah, add this too.
Really, your seat.
You take care.
Thank you.
You're
Take
welcome.
care.
Thank you.
You try it.
So you want me to try?
Yeah.
I'll try only one.
No.
Yes, I'm gonna try one. Thank you. That sauce is good.
Don't worry.
Tell him I wanna give him.
Do you have 700 change?
No.
700?
Yes, it's 700 something, but I want her to give me only 500,
Pare, koy.
and then the remaining we're gonna give this.
Hindi. Gawin mo na daw hanggang 500. Pakula mo na daw sa 500. Lahat ng kakain, bigyan mo daw. Hanggang 500 lang limitasyon, oh. Yes. Don't worry.
Thank you.
You're recording it?
I do. You have expensive.
No. This is 40,000 only. You can buy it.
40,000.
Yes. No,
Yeah.
this is not expensive.
I don't think
This
I
is
can
18
buy.
karat only.
18 karat.
Yes.
Wow, you're rich. Thank you.
Why did you eat only one? You eat
You want me to eat another one?
Yes. And I will help you.
You wanna help me?
Yes.
Okay. You need to do this.
Okay. Wow. I want to see your reaction.
It's hot. It's hot. You wanna me dip there?
Yeah.
And
Keep it.
it's good. Yeah, it's good.
Okay. Good. May oras na nga na to.
Thank you so much. And then if there is any balance, you can give it to this lady.
No.
If there is.
Thank you, sir.
You are welcome, ma'am. Thank you. Salamat.
My friend, one shot. One shot. Hey, remember?
One shot.
Yeah. One shot. Take a picture. Okay. Go province. Hey, welcome to the Philippines. How is my country?
You will see in 1 month. You will see you.
You okay?
1 month.
1 month?
Yeah, you will see you.
Okay. Nice.
I'll see you, my friend.
My friend, me too.
Thank you.